we are in East End. It's a Sunday evening. Going on the beach. I don't know, one fire, all fire. And it's East End. Woo! It's nice. Yes, welcome back to the Cape Islands. Whether it's day, whether it's night. Yeah, it's a Sunday evening vibe. Check out this beauty. Nowhere in the world you get it but in the Caribbean. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful Cayman Island. I'm searching for some friends because we're supposed to be at the beach and I'm wondering if we're past already.
Well, we just take it as a job. Wow, up here so nice.
No, we have a public beach down there, so
Where?
further down the road.
These homes are nice, that cool.
There's a digital tower. So here we go. Tower. Let's head down, further down. Oh, it's a submarine. Oh, God. Yep, this is yes, and we are going a little bit of swimming and fishing today. Let's go on the boardwalk. Woo! Yeah, this is beautiful, beautiful Cayman Islands. The water is beautiful. So, where are the rest of the kids? Oh, we have a fisherman out here. Don't catch dinner. Oh, so no bring you the kids them today. No bring you the kids them today. This is quite fun. Wow, beautiful. Eh? And here the ladies them get ready, you know, it's a boat and they start to mess around with the boat and thing. Yeah, Eastern is very nice, you know, very nice community in Cayman Islands. Yeah, and the water was very beautiful and really have a good time. Yeah. Yeah, man. Cayman, you know, just similar to Jamaica. Island life. Yeah. It's a privilege working and living here. You know? Nowhere like the Caribbean. Yeah, trust me. Really love Cayman. And here, my friend here, Antai, trust me, she is a real comedian. She decided to take off her head, you know. As you know, we Jamaican that say take off her head, but take off her ear. Because she didn't want her ear to get wet, you know, false ear. So she have to take off the whole ear, give to me, you know, for whole ear, because she don't want it to get it wet and things. So, you know, we really have a wheel of a time, and, you know, we're really laughing, trust me. Laughing as she take off her ear, you know. But trust me, big up yourself, Antai. And big up yourself, Alma, aka Sister Alma. Yeah. Well, this is Wildfire 777. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah. More life, more blessings. Love what you do and do what you love. Peace.